Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to zoom in and zoom out with mouse in Catia. Okay, as example I will create new part design. You can click start, mechanical designs and click part designs. For the name we use default, click OK. Now as example I will draw simple sketch in here. We draw a rectangle. Okay, at this point, and you can close. Next, use pad tools to convert into 3D. Click OK. Now, how to zoom in and zoom out in Catia? You can press middle mouse, hold, and right click once. It will be automatically use zoom in and zoom out if you move your mouse like this. Okay, you can press middle mouse, right click once, and it will be automatically zoom in and zoom out in Catia. Okay, that's it, how to zoom in and zoom out in Catia. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.